barber chair, the fresh scent of shaving cream, but what if that crack has consequences? Neck cracking risks this vital structure.
Raj went for his usual haircut, but something was wrong. He was rushed to the hospital. Raj passed away.
One day my barber cracked my neck.
Doctors diagnosed Vikram with a vertebral artery dissection. Now I advocate for neck cracking risks.
The human neck is a complex structure. It houses 7 vertebrae. These protect the spinal cord.
Arteries are vulnerable to injury.
Barbers apply rapid force. This can tear arteries. It can damage discs.
The risk is present. Understanding neck cracking risks is crucial. Share stories and educate for better health.